Bird of paradise. Bird of paradise is a member of the Paradisaceae family of the passeriformes order. Bird of paradise is usually found in Indonesia, such as in the eastern part of Papua, Papua New Guinea, the islands of the Torres Strait, and eastern Australia. Birds belonging to this family are known for their male plumage in many species, especially the very elongated and intricate feathers that grow from its beak, wings, or head. Unfortunately, people in Papua often wear cendrawasih feathers in their clothing and customs. Papua also has many animal similarities with Australia. Because in the past this continent was connected.